So having Cameron from Headset Heroes in today is actually bigger than anyone might realise. So I wanted to be able to give our neurodivergent kids an opportunity to hone in their skills and their interests. Many of our kids are shy to even come along and participate. But the connections I saw being made were people listening to Cameron's instructions. He was very gentle, very patient with the kids. They were so keen to go. They were so creative. They were interested in the software being used, the impacts of seeing their creations on the VR afterwards as well, gave them a real sense of purpose and accomplishment and achievement. Our kids are capable of so much. Take what they've learnt home, take it out into the community and potentially make pathways for themselves for a future that school hasn't given them. So Welcome All Families was created to give kids that have been pushed out of the school system, our school can't kids, and our home educated kids, and in particular neurodivergent families, an opportunity to blend together in a safe space. Having these people come in like Cameron and doing what he's done today, so inclusive and positive for our community. I couldn't recommend Cameron any higher.